Edouard de Jans was born April 16, 1855, in Sint Andries, died July 11, 1919, in Antwerp. He was a Flemish portrait and genre painter. His talent was noticed at school, but came to little until a local aristocrat asked Jans to make drawings of a castle, Steentien, which he was restoring. He was sufficiently impressed to offer Jans a chance to study at the local art school. In his first year, he received orders for drawings from the mayor and other notables. This made it possible for him to attend the Bruges Academy of Fine Arts in 1869, studying with the director, Eduard Wallays. By 1873, he was a teacher at the Bogardenschool. 2 years later, he was accepted at the Royal Academy of Fine Arts and placed in the master class, where his instructor was Nicaise De Keyser. He also studied genre painting with Polydore, Beaufaux and Charles Verlat. Although he specialized in portraits, he also did biblical scenes, history paintings and landscapes. In 1876, he received a scholarship from the Prix de Rome for his painting Return of the Prodigal Son, which enabled him to travel throughout Europe, visiting France, Italy, Germany, and Austria. When he returned to Antwerp in 1889, he was appointed a professor at the academy and held that position until his death.